Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use teamwork.com for managing your retail operations efficiently. First up, you'll want to log into teamwork.com and navigate to the projects section. This is where you'll manage all your operations. The reason we start here is because it allows you to have a centralized view of all your activities. Now that we've done that, let's create a new project. You can do this by clicking the Add Project button. Here's where you'll input all the details of your retail operations, from your inventory to your staff scheduling. This is a crucial step because it ensures that all aspects of your business are accounted for. Next, let's set up your tasks. Click on the Tasks tab in your project and start adding in your day-to-day responsibilities. This helps us because it allows you to keep track of what needs to be done, by whom, and by when. Now, let me explain why this matters. With teamwork.com, you can assign these tasks to your team members and set deadlines. This not only helps in the delegation of tasks, but also ensures that everyone is aware of their responsibilities and timelines. The last crucial step is to ensure that all your data is being tracked properly. Navigate to the Dashboard section. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com automatically generates reports based on your project details and tasks, giving you real-time insights into your retail operations. So there you have it, a quick guide to using Teamwork.com for managing your retail operations. Remember, the key to effective management is staying organized, and with Teamwork.com, you have all the tools you need at your fingertips. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one.